I am Don from DonDronesOn, and today I'm at a Kingston drone meet having a lot of fun with the guys, and I'm testing out these light strips and tactical light kits from ViFly. ViFly sent these to me in exchange for this review, but as you know, I'll give you an honest impression. So let's check them out and see how they go. So what we've got here is a light kit that snaps on, very easy to install. It just kind of clips on all the way around. They are USB chargeable, USB-C, and there's about 6 or 7 different modes for the lights. I've got them on kind of flashing back and forth mode, and again there's like a half a dozen or more actual colors for the lights. So very cool. The other kit that I have installed at the same time, they're 2 separate kits, is a tactical light kit. Now these are totally different. Like the light strips just for fun and giggles, and they're kind of cool. I'm going to try them out at night as well. The other kit here is a tactical light set. This is more for flying more seriously at night, say inside a building, that kind of thing. And there's 2 separate systems. There's headlights on the front, very bright, and on the bottom there's downward facing lights. There's actually 2 separate lights, and that will provide illumination for your downward facing sensors, and also so you can see where the drone is. When you're flying, they're very, very visible. Here we are flying in fairly bright daylight. The headlights are very bright, and they do have 2 levels of brightness that you can select. And then here's the bottom lights. In this case, I have them on slow strobe mode for daylight visibility. But there's also a faster strobe, and of course you can have them just plain steady. But these lights are just amazingly cool at night. Now, this is just the side light kit without any tactical lights, so you can see how bright they are. Here they are in rainbow mode. Here's violet in what they call scanning mode, and red in what they call guiding mode. Now, I'm pretty sure the neighbors thought aliens were landing. It's a good thing I don't live in New Jersey. And here's the tactical kit. Incredible. Here's the drone view. By the way, these are specifically designed for the DJI Avata 2. They may have an Avata 360 kit coming, but at this point, at least the headlights would certainly interfere on an Avata 360. And of course, I had to try it in my basement. Very easy to fly inside, even with all the lights out. The whole tactical kit weighs a bit over 50 grams. The headlights last over an hour on a charge, with the bottom-facing lights lasting about 45 minutes. The side lights, officially called LED duct guards, weigh 70 grams and last a bit over an hour on a single charge. It would certainly be a quick and dirty kit for first responders on a budget. So yeah, the ViFly LED kits, either the tactical kit or the LED duct guards, they are sold as separate kits, would be a very cool addition to your equipment if you'd like. There's links in the description below. Thanks for watching.